Imagine tiny flying robots zipping through collapsed buildings after an earthquake, searching for survivors. These miniature machines glide through gaps too narrow for traditional drones, dodging debris like insects. Until recently, microdrones were slow and clumsy, nothing like the agile movements of real insects. MIT's breakthrough brings us insect-sized flying robots with unmatched speed and control. Their new AI-powered control system allows for breathtaking aerial stunts, like flipping in midair. This method increased speed by 450% and acceleration by 250%, revolutionizing drone capability. The aim is to create drones that explore areas inaccessible to quadcopters, enhancing rescue missions. The collaboration led to a fantastic AI system, allowing real-time adjustments for challenging maneuvers. This revolutionary microdrone technology promises a future where saving lives becomes more efficient and effective.